Hello traders, welcome. This is market commentary with Axiory, and I start with information important for the Japanese yen. We had few words from Bank of Japan Governor Mr. Ueda, and he said that the inflation is still not there, is still far from the target. But inflation, the target is on 2%, but the inflation will start to go lower in the second half of 2023. First reaction for those words were positive for the Japanese yen, but now Japanese yen is giving back those initial gains, and let's be honest, Japanese yen is today moving really sideways. It can be perfectly seen, for example, on British pound to Japanese yen. First weakness, then strengthening. On the American dollar to Japanese yen, we are more or less in the same place. In Canadian dollar to Japanese yen, also we are in the same place for today and actually for this week. In the long term, sentiment for the Japanese yen is negative, but today is pretty neutral, and we are waiting for the further development. But in the long term, remember, sentiment for yen is negative. We have a continuation of the debt ceiling saga, so we got an initial agreement, and now we are waiting for the vote in Congress. Of course, it is hard to imagine that the US government will default, but well, that's the story for now. Indices are optimistic. You can see S&P 500 is climbing higher. DAX also is climbing higher. Once we'll have a breakout of this green resistance, we'll have a strong buy signal. Dow Jones is still influenced by the bounce of the lower line of the symmetric triangle. Nasdaq is on the long-term highs, and CAC 40 is bouncing off the long-term uptrend line. So the sentiment on indices is definitely positive. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your trading.